The foods you must consume when dealing with chronic kidney disease, CKD, are of utmost importance. Without adhering to the right diet, kidney failure becomes inevitable. This is an undeniable fact. No doctor, regardless of their expertise, and no advanced treatment method can prevent kidney failure if you do not follow the proper dietary guidelines. This is why today the kidney diet is regarded as the cornerstone of treatment for CKD. The diet you follow is what makes the most significant difference in managing the condition. To illustrate this point, we have witnessed stage 5 CKD patients avoid dialysis simply by adopting a better diet. We know this is achievable, yet many CKD patients remain uncertain about what they should eat. What should we eat? This is the question we will address today. While all CKD patients benefit from a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, with minimal protein, sodium, and as little processed food as possible, it is important to note that not every CKD patient should follow the exact same diet. The foods that are right for you depend on your specific complications and underlying conditions. To ensure your diet is perfectly tailored to your needs, we will focus on other common issues that often accompany CKD. I will guide you through the best foods for managing diabetes, high blood pressure, swelling, uric acid, gout, high cholesterol, and various forms of inflammation associated with the disease. By doing so, you will be able to personalize your diet as effectively as possible, because the right diet for you is the key to overcoming CKD. But don't worry, this process will be straightforward, as all the foods we will discuss today are beneficial for anyone with CKD, while also offering additional advantages for those dealing with other health issues. Best foods for diabetes and CKD. What foods are essential in a CKD and diabetes diet? If you have both diabetes and CKD, you should prioritize a plant-based diet. This means consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables while avoiding meat and other animal products. It is also crucial to avoid foods with added sugar. When I refer to added sugar, I am talking about processed foods that contain sugar and syrups added during manufacturing. You do not need to avoid fruits that naturally contain sugar if you have diabetes. Just steer clear of added sugars. While most fruits and vegetables are beneficial, there are specific foods that can make a significant positive impact on diabetes management. One such food is okra, also known as ladyfinger. Okra offers numerous benefits for diabetes because it reduces the absorption of sugar in the intestines, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. In fact, okra is one of the few foods that can actually lower your fasting glucose levels when incorporated into your diet. This powerful effect is supported by scientific studies, so be sure to include okra in your meals if you have diabetes. Additionally, okra is an excellent source of vitamin C, antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber, while being low in calories. To avoid its slimy texture, cook okra at high temperatures, such as by stir-frying. Another remarkable food to include in your diet to combat diabetes is bitter melon. This underrated vegetable, also known as bitter gourd or Karela, is a game-changer for diabetes management. Bitter melon is widely available in Asian markets and has a long history as a natural treatment for diabetes. Like okra, it blurs the line between a regular food and natural medicine due to its incredible benefits. Studies have shown that diabetes patients who consume bitter melon daily not only lose significant weight and reduce their HbA1c levels, but also protect their kidney function. In fact, their creatinine levels remain stable throughout the study, unlike those who did not consume bitter melon. Eating this vegetable before meals can make a substantial difference for both diabetes and kidney disease, further proving that diet is your strongest ally against CKD. Another food that yields incredible results for diabetes is cinnamon. Cinnamon is fantastic for improving insulin sensitivity. According to research, it can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by 10 to 29%, which is a significant improvement. Therefore, make sure to include cinnamon as a regular part of your meals. Best foods for high blood pressure and CKD. Next, let's explore which foods are essential for those with high blood pressure. High blood pressure is even more common than diabetes among people with CKD, as CKD itself can cause hypertension. Following a diet that combats high blood pressure is essential for every CKD patient. The primary goal is to avoid excessive sodium intake, so steer clear of processed and packaged foods. Additionally, ensure you drink enough water daily and avoid animal products and foods with added sugar. Similar to diabetes, there are specific healing foods that are particularly beneficial for managing high blood pressure. The first is garlic. Garlic is excellent for overall health and has been recommended countless times, not only because it lowers blood pressure with an effect comparable to blood pressure medication, but also because it helps with diabetes, infections, and cholesterol. Think of garlic as a natural medicine, and do not skip it if you have kidney disease. Another food to consider for high blood pressure is almonds. Almonds are a fantastic superfood, rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for kidney health. Magnesium helps combat high blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and fight diabetes. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is both common and dangerous, directly contributing to high blood pressure and other health issues. When it comes to magnesium, I also recommend taking supplements, especially if you are supplementing with vitamin D, which is crucial for everyone with CKD. Another excellent food for high blood pressure is beetroot. Beetroot is one of the healthiest vegetables and is essential for kidney patients because it helps lower blood pressure. Beetroots are naturally rich in nitrates, a potent vasodilator that supports heart function and reduces blood pressure. Best foods for swelling and CKD. Swelling is a common issue for CKD patients, often caused by water and sodium retention. To manage swelling through diet, the first step is to drink more water and consume less sodium and phosphorus. Of course, the water recommendation only applies if you do not have water intake restrictions. There are also foods with diuretic properties that can help eliminate excess fluid. One such food is asparagus. Asparagus is not only an excellent source of vitamins, but also a natural diuretic, very helpful for supporting kidney function and reducing swelling. This makes asparagus one of the best foods for your kidneys, and its benefits are strongly supported by science. Since asparagus is a natural diuretic, it also helps reduce blood pressure, which is an added bonus. My advice is to eat asparagus raw if possible, as high temperatures and water can damage some of its nutrients. Simply grate some asparagus and add it to your salad. Another food to consider is cilantro. While it is a spice, cilantro has strong diuretic properties, perhaps even stronger than asparagus. In fact, cilantro has long been used in traditional medicine to increase urine production, and modern science confirms this benefit. While some people make cilantro tea, I recommend using it in moderation, perhaps as a garnish. Ginger is another food with diuretic properties. Ginger offers numerous kidney protective benefits, including fighting diabetes, high blood pressure, and even reducing nausea. It can also help with swelling, so incorporate it into your diet. You can consume ginger raw in small pieces or use it dried as a spice. Additionally, ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory, so never underestimate its benefits. Best foods for infections and CKD. Now, let's discuss infections, as there are several foods that can help with this issue. Chronic inflammation and infectious diseases are common among CKD patients, and certain foods can provide significant benefits. These foods can also protect your kidneys, as infections play a significant role in the progression of kidney disease. The first food to consider is turmeric. Turmeric is a must-have in a kidney diet. It improves blood circulation by increasing nitric oxide production and protects the kidneys. It is also a powerful antioxidant that fights diabetes. Most importantly, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories. It is so effective that it can help reduce chronic pain, potentially reducing the need for NSAIDs, which are known to harm the kidneys. To enhance curcumin absorption, always pair it with black pepper. One way to do this is by making golden milk with turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and other ingredients. Another food to include is olive oil. Olive oil is excellent for everyone, especially if you can find pure, high-quality olive oil. Just 2 tablespoons of pure olive oil daily have been shown to improve HDL cholesterol levels and insulin sensitivity. Olive oil also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, comparable to some medications but without harmful side effects. In fact, olive oil can protect your kidneys, much like flax seeds. Flax seeds are incredibly powerful in combating inflammation. Regular consumption of flax seeds has been shown to improve kidney function, particularly in those with inflammatory kidney disease. Studies indicate that flax seeds can improve GFR, glomerular filtration rate, making them one of the most recommended seeds for CKD patients. Remember to grind flax seeds before consuming them or purchase flaxseed powder as a substitute. Best foods for cholesterol and CKD. High cholesterol is another common issue among CKD patients and can lead to serious problems for your heart and kidneys. When it comes to managing cholesterol through diet, the focus should be on avoiding saturated fats, trans fats, and added sugars. However, there are also foods that can actively help lower cholesterol levels. One such food is oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which forms a gel-like substance in the intestines that attracts and eliminates bad cholesterol. Studies show that eating oats regularly can improve cholesterol levels. You can also supplement with soluble fiber if needed. Another excellent food for lowering cholesterol is apples. Apples are a great source of pectin, a carbohydrate that binds to cholesterol in the intestines and helps remove it from the body. Remember to eat apples with their skin, as most of the fiber, including pectin, is found in the skin. A powerful combination for lowering cholesterol is garlic and lemon. Both of these foods have been mentioned earlier, but when used together, their effects are even more potent. This is one of those combinations where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Additionally, red yeast rice is a natural supplement that can help lower cholesterol. It has been studied as a way to heal internal kidney damage and is a viable alternative to statins. Best foods for high uric acid and CKD. Finally, Let's discuss foods that can help manage high uric acid levels, which are often associated with gout and kidney stones. To lower uric acid levels, avoid foods high in purines, such as meat, organ meats, high-mercury seafood, sugary foods, and alcohol. Instead, focus on foods that can help reduce uric acid. One such food is cherries. Research shows that cherries can reduce the risk of gout attacks. Eating cherries for 2 days can lower the risk of a gout attack by up to 35%. They are particularly effective when combined with allopurinol, a prescription medication for gout. Citrus fruits, especially lemons, are also beneficial. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which helps dissolve uric acid. Adding lemon to your daily diet can help prevent high uric acid levels. You can squeeze half a lemon into a cup of water and drink it daily, or add organic lemon with peel to your smoothie. Berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, are also excellent for managing high uric acid due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Including them in your diet is highly beneficial. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and may you all be blessed. Goodbye.